enter the fourth phase of the lockdown. There will be certain relaxations that might be put in place, but when it comes to public spaces like gymnasiums or other such things, they will still remain closed, and that is all likely to happen. And we are in fact bringing you another set of lockdown questions and this special edition here with a very special guests who are joining us at this point. Celebrity fitness instructor Yasmin Karachiwala. Thank you so much, Yasmin, for joining us here on Republic TV. You are in fact the go-to person for all our top celebrities in the Indian film industry, be it Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif or Alia Bhatt. Take us to how have you been coping with this lockdown and staying yourself fit at such tough times?
So it's like, I think for the entire fitness industry as well as for the world, we've had to make a shift from training clients one-on-one, and I'm a personal training studio, so you know that one-on-one training physically, to now training online, which has, I think we've all learned, we've all grown. I'm training a lot of clients online. In fact, most of my clients and new people, and I'm doing live sessions on Instagram and Facebook to reach out to the millions of people who don't have access to me and, want to work out. So I think it's a great time also for every fitness instructor to figure out that they can still reach people, and in fact a lot more people through social media and Zoom and different platforms.
Absolutely. In fact, Yasmin, can we also look at this current situation that we're facing of, in a way, a virtual medium, the usage of the virtual medium for training clients, as you rightly stated, as the new normal now, because we might not look at public spaces or gymnasiums opening up very soon. And take us to how important is it for our viewers understanding to stay fit at home as well?
So I've been telling my staff and I've been telling a lot of clients that probably gyms will be the last thing that open up, and then too people are gonna, be apprehensive coming to us because of various reasons. So we have formed a niche in the market for training online, being able to reach out to people online and working out. And it's really, really important. And I've been saying this in all my interviews and trying to say this to as many people as I can reach, for all of us to stay fit, to stay healthy. One, exercise helps fight immunity. It increases your immune system with the right kind of food, definitely. And two, exercise releases endorphins, which are these hormones which make you feel good. And being at home, we are all in that space where we're either irritated, we're frustrated, we want to go out, we can't, we have to stay contained. So it really helps to have these endorphins, these feel-good hormones, for us to feel good, at least for the amount of time that we can. And if we make exercise a habit to do every day, at least there's something that's adding to us feeling good, which is so important in this lockdown, I feel, for all of us. Plus, you need to eat healthy, don't, give up, and also staying physically fit. Like, I realize sometimes I'm sitting at my desk training clients, and because it's all online training, what's happening is you don't get up for like 2-3 hours, and I wear a smart watch which, like, literally after 2-3 hours tells me I've hardly walked 100 meters in the day. So it's so important to exercise.
In fact,
to
Yasmin,
get those
we have our
endorphins,
first caller as well who's calling us. He's Naman Sharma for Gurugram. Naman, over to you. Please ask your question to our guest.
Yeah. My question is that is there any duration that you would recommend to do the workout, fitness workout?
So I always tell people duration is what you can find for yourself, right? There is, of course, ideally it would be great if you can work out for 40 minutes to an hour a day. But let's face it, most of us don't have either the stamina or the inclination, or we don't feel like working out. So I say, even if you work out for 10 minutes to boost your immunity, to make you feel good, that's enough. And of course, you can add on to it. If you don't have an hour altogether, break it up to 3 times a day and do 10 minutes each.
Absolutely. So, a very important point raised. We have another caller, in fact, Yasmin, calling us from Pune this time. Bharat, over to you. Please ask your question.
गुड आफ्टरनून यास्मीन जी.
Good afternoon, Bharat.
मेरी एज है 60 ईयर और मैं ब्लड प्रेशर का पेशेंट हूँ. मैं फिलहाल 20 मिनट योगासन करता हूँ मॉर्निंग में और वॉकडाउन मेरा वॉकडाउन के हिसाब से वॉकिंग बंद है लॉकडाउन के हिसाब से. तो उसके लिए कोई एक्स्ट्रा एक्सरसाइज अलग से कोई आप सजेशन कर सकते हो क्या? और डाइट
तो
में मैं
भरत जी,
वेजिटेरियन हूँ.
ओके भरत जी, मैं आपको एक बहुत ही सिंपल ट्रिक देती हूँ. आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते हो, आप वॉक नहीं कर सकते हो, मगर आप अपने घर में चल सकते हो. अभी क्या होता है कि घर में चलने में बहुत आलसीपना महसूस होता है, राइट? तो आपके पास फोन तो होगा, तो आप अपने फोन पे अलार्म्स होते हैं, तो हर 1 घंटे में आप अलार्म सेट कीजिए और बोलिए 5 मिनट चलो. तो क्या होता है, अगर आप 8 घंटे ले दिन के और हर 1 घंटे में आपका अलार्म बोल रहा है 5 मिनट चलो, और 5 मिनट घर में चलना आसान है, इतना कठिन नहीं है, या लेजीनेस नहीं होता है. अगर आप 8 घंटे हर 8 घंटे में हर 1 घंटे में 5 मिनट चलेंगे, तो 8 घंटे में आप 40 मिनट चलेंगे.
Absolutely. So clearly, Yasmin, the number one question that a lot of callers as well as
this is a really easy thing that
Yes,
I
please
tell people to do in lockdown is, walk every hour for 5 minutes. And it's really easy. I mean, you say it, but you never do it. When you set an alarm, and I have an alarm on my phone as well, but when you set an alarm, it kind of beeps and it tells you walk for 5 minutes. And somewhere you get up and you do that 5-minute walk, and it feels really good at the end of the day.
Absolutely. In fact, Yasmin, another point that constantly our viewers have been asking is how to stay motivated, and that's a very important point that you've raised, to set an alarm on your phone to constantly remind you that you can go out and walk within your home premises. Thank you so much, Yasmin Karachiwala, for joining us here on Republic TV and sharing your wisdom of how to stay fit during such times of lockdown.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure. And everyone, stay home, stay safe, stay positive, exercise, build your immunity, and we will get through this.